Hello everyone and welcome to my English channel. This is Sami, hair transplant and medical tourism expert talking to you from Istanbul. Today we will talk about how to prepare yourself for hair transplant operation. If you have a reservation after like 4 to 8 or 10 weeks from now, what you can do to achieve better and more successful operation. First, you can start taking some vitamins or hair supplements such as biotin, priorin, pantograph. It will help to nourish your grafts and to improve the overall condition of the scalp and the hair. However, it's better to stop using these vitamins at least 1 week before the operation. Using ketoconazole shampoo like Nizoral or Ketoral is very helpful, especially if you have any scalp dandruff or fungus. It will help to reduce the inflammations in the scalp and keep your scalp healthy and clean. You can keep using the shampoo until the day of the operation, and you can resume or continue using the shampoo after 1 month of the operation. Do 1 or 2 PRP sessions before the operation, if possible, because PRP therapy will activate the skin cells and will improve the healing environment for the transplanted graft. It's optional, but it really can improve and enhance your final results. You can do a daily massage for the scalp with your fingertips like this to stimulate the blood circulation and prepare the scalp to receive the new grafts more effectively. You can do it 2 or 3 times a day with at least 5 minutes. It's very helpful and will keep the flow of the blood in a perfect condition in the day of the operation. Some doctors recommend to take finasteride 1 milligram a day for around 1 to 3 months before the operation. It will help to reduce the DHT level in the scalp and to improve the native hair and reduce the shock loss percentage after the operation. Always consult your doctor or the clinic you are contacting. If they ask you to stop finasteride before the operation, usually they ask you to stop it before like 1 week to 10 days before the operation. And the last advice is try to understand the operation before you do it. See a lot of videos about how the operation is done and obey the instructions before the operation and after the operations. You can check my videos in the channel about the instructions. And finally, if you need help or you are planning to do hair transplant, you can send me pictures on WhatsApp from all sides, and we will check your pictures with our medical team, and I will send to you all the details, how many grafts you need, how many sessions, and grafts number, and where the hairline will be, and all other details. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and all social media platforms. Thank you and see you next video.